Thanks to boards, we were able to go a step further in our planning. Before, we used to plan our sales by customer, by product group. Board allowed us to go a couple of levels deeper, actually, and start planning by part number. We also were able to take into consideration prices, gross margins, and so on. So it was quite a huge step forward for us. DENSO is one of the largest automotive spare parts producers, but we produce not only just traditional spare parts, but also all kind of automotive solutions.
I think the most significant benefit is that we can work with scenarios. We can simulate different kind of growth, different kind of elements in what platform, and derive numbers from there. We can even compare our versions. And now we can have our whole army's planning streamlined in one platform. Before, everybody would do a little bit their own planning. Now we have everything in board.
Our company, together with all the automotive world, is going through a major transition that happens not even once in a lifetime. I think it's the first time when we are undergoing something so significant in the automotive world. So we are facing a lot of challenges. We are navigating very rough seas, and there is a lot of uncertainty in the world going on right now. Planning is becoming of major essence for the whole enterprise, of course, because we need to be more precise to deliver enough profits to secure our future.
The implementation process went pretty smooth, thanks to the K Group company expertise in the system, also the knowledge of the processes. Personally, I see the board as not as just another system in our IT infrastructure, but also the more complex environment where we can manage different processes to gain the best efficiency and synergy. After implementation of sales planning solution, we realized that we can utilize the system also for some other processes related to the cost or price management or the expense planning solutions.
We are implementing our budgeting, our headcount in board. We are looking at pricing tools, and I have many more ideas. We now first analyze and make some assumptions on market situations, and then we start to work on the numbers that board gives us based on our assumptions that we have. And before, we would do bottom up. So I feel at all times supported, and I felt that K Group was also very quick in understanding our processes here and suggesting how to implement this in board.
The main impact is improve the company efficiency. Very customer-oriented company who brings their knowledge of the processes and support the organization with the implementation or adjusting the processes in the best efficient solution.
Before, everything was Excel-based. We were not able to have the level of details that we can have with board, meaning planning on item level. This is just not possible with the amount of items and combinations we have. Board suggests how to split it down on item and customer level. We do not have to go in every detail. We can also start with high-level numbers, and board will do the rest, and then go in detail where it's needed.
Oh, we have huge plans for board in the future, actually. We have, of course, I have already heard about AI implementation for financial planning. So we are looking forward to implement AI and machine learning in our cycles. I think in our future, it is more important to look forward and to anticipate change and to be agile and adjust to this change.